Vinny, come on, time to eat. Let's go.
Thank you. I'm going home. I love my commute home.
How you doing? I live at home with my parents. I hope you find that attractive.
Welcome to our living room.
Well, your mom's living room.
This is it, the bachelor pad.
Moved in with my parents at 40.
Morning again, Rick.
Stop moving.
Dad, can you quiet down again?
My time is now to find the house of my dreams.
Because it'd be nice to, like,
Grow up.
My mom kind of, gave me a nudge. Hey, we're gonna need some alone time. Got it.
This is a really tough decision.
If you guys are so confused, why can't you stay in my house?
Open floor plan, a pool, high ceilings, 3-bed, 3-bath.
Whoa, holy house.
Oh.
That'd be nice.
Maybe you should buy it. Maybe I will.
I'm picturing zombies coming out of the closet.
You just want to see me somewhere besides your place.
Why don't you go ahead and see what's behind door number 2?
It feels like a lot of responsibility.
Welcome to adulting.
Maybe we just stay here longer.
All right, let's just get this out there.
He makes enough money that he could support himself.
There you go. Thank you. Right on time. It's good to be king.
Do houses come with girls, too, to marry them? That would be ideal.